Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got practice 1.3, the accelerated class. You have practice 1.5. Both classes should be studying their prime numbers because the accelerated class, you're going to have a quiz tomorrow on Thursday. Regular math, you're going to have your quiz on Friday. Also, for the accelerated class, you've got practice 1.5 to go with that Chapter 1 test coming up on Friday. In science, we got an assignment called Variables on the Chromebook. I will tell you what, students, do not stress out over this. Do your best in coming up with the independent variable and the dependent variable. Make sure you are looking and using your notes to help you out. In accelerated science, they have the notes for quantitative versus qualitative. In social studies, there is no homework today as we had our Be Internet Awesome Key Terms quiz. Hopefully you studied and prepared for that and did well. In language arts, we have got our policy quiz on Thursday. This should not be anything new to anyone. As we've been talking about this all week, you need to review your slides. You can also play the quizzes game to prepare by going to the link right here in the homework chart. In literature, you need to read 30 to 40 minutes. We still need to share our letters with parents and get a notebook by next Monday if you don't have one. And third period, hopefully you are looking at this video or you're looking at the chart during Warrior Time because you need to sit here and take your grit test either during Warrior Time or at home. It's a quick 10-question test. Should not take you more than maybe about 5 minutes. In careers in life, we need to start reviewing and studying for our test over our SMART planning process and Dover-Door. And for FCS 6, there is no homework except for bringing headphones tomorrow. Yes, headphones are a required school supply. They're on your list. They don't have to be anything fancy. You can go and just get a cheap, quick pair of earbuds someplace. That's going to be it for today. Everybody have a fantastic Wednesday. We'll see you tomorrow.